You guys ever think about dying? Getting the Barbie movie that I haven't watched? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the
That was a lot.
Anyways, guys, today I am going to be turning Barbie into a slime. I went to the store. I got some Barbies. I got these two.
They're pretty.
And then I'm also going to be turning a drink into slime, which I haven't got yet because
It's gonna melt.
So, I think I've actually already turned some Barbies into slime like a while back, but we're gonna do another version because the Barbie movie is out and I feel like it's just...
It just makes sense.
Anyways, let's get straight on into the video, yo. Why is this Barbie's feet out? I'm gonna start with this Barbie because I already have an idea for her. Do these have names? I don't think they have names, right? Okay, so I already have an idea for the...
Her shoes!
Anyways, I already have an idea for this Barbie. I liked the color and the butterfly, so I was thinking like a metallic purple slime with like butterfly sprinkles and glitter. I think that would really look cute. It also has a yellow trim, so maybe some yellow something. I'm not entirely sure what, but yellow
Something.
Why don't we go to the lavatory supply room? Shoes! All right, what do you want? Well, I can't get a hot air balloon in here right now, but I can do the other things. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a metallic slime. She said she wants some glitter in there and like a hot air balloon and everything. I can't do that. So first I need a basket. Her shoe! I need some purple. There we go. Then, oh, pigment. I'm gonna use the purple pigment today. Oh my God! These are literally perfect. Remember when I was saying when I needed something like yellow? I've got yellow stars. I completely forgot about that. These are literally gonna be perfect. Love it. She said she wanted glitter. I just got some glitter, but I'm gonna get her some other glitter. Okay, I've got these butterfly sprinkles, glitter actually. Okay, and then I've got some butterfly sprinkles right here. Okay, so she's wearing a purple dress. I don't know why, but she's giving me very lavender vibes. I think she wears a lavender vanilla perfume.
I think it matches her.
We are back! And now we're gonna make the slime for Miss
Barbie here.
Okay, so I've got some clear slime right here. My favorite slime. This one's honestly gonna be pretty simple. Like I said, we're gonna put purple dye in there and then some pigment. I don't want a lot of pigment. I don't want it to be like fully metallic, just a little bit. And we mix that. And then I'm also going to be adding the scents. Okay, we're gonna add our lavender and then our vanilla and mix. Ooh, this smells really good. Okay, and we're gonna add a little bit of pigment. Okay, I think this is literally perfect. I'm gonna add the glitters inside. We have the holographic butterflies, like I said, and then purple glitter, and then yellow glitter stars to match the trim and her shoes also, I just realized. And then some butterfly sprinkles to match her dress. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my God, it actually like really looks like her. And we're going to mix that. This is so pretty. You know, I wasn't so sure about like the yellow glitter because purple and yellow don't match all that well together. I don't know how she's pulling it off, to be honest, but the slime looks amazing and I think it represents her. I like it. Okay, anyways, let's put this back into the container. And then I'm also gonna top it off with some more glitters and stuff. I'm gonna add just a bit more of these holographics just on top. And then some of these yellow stars and some more butterflies. And I am done. She plays with it very weirdly, okay? Ta-da! Okay, well, I think this turned out really pretty. I really like this one. It is time to get on to the next Barbie, the rainbow one. Just kidding, guys. She is back. She's just gonna be standing with her slime. So we got this one out. This one comes with like some special packaging. I think it's different. I don't know if it's like special to the movie or something, but let's take her out. She's got a rainbow dress.
That's why I got her.
Here she is. She's also got braces on. I thought that was pretty cute. She's got pink sunglasses and then yellow shoes too. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this girl. I just liked her dress, but I don't know what to do. I think I might make a rainbow fluff butter.
I'm not sure.
I had no idea what to do, so Paul decided he wanted me to do one of my rainbow fountain slimes, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I just need clear slime, every color of the rainbow in food coloring. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. I'll take this one too. Let's, pink stars. I don't know why, but like, I feel like stars just work out so well for Barbies. Like, it just gives me very Barbie vibes. So we're gonna add these pink stars. And then onto the scents. Okay, so that Barbie's gonna be very like fruity vibes, like summer. So I'm gonna go with a fruit punch scent that I actually made myself. So basically it's peach. Oh, I think it's orange, peach, strawberry, and cherry. It's gotta be something. We're gonna do that. Okay, so for the rainbow fountain, I'm going to put the scent first, our fruit punch scent, which is peach, orange, cherry and strawberry. Ooh, that does smell really good. And now we're gonna put the food colorings. We're gonna put red first, come on. Orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, purple, and pink. And now we wait. We drip it. That didn't work, so we are gonna try it again. I don't know what I did wrong, but we're gonna do it again. Okay, take two, but I did it the right way, I think. Supposed to let it drip like that. There we go, now it's working. And that's what Paul wanted me to do. I don't know what you want me to do next, Paul?
But,
I'm just gonna put it back into the container. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Are you happy, Paul? Okay, great. And that's the end. That's what happens if you blend this Barbie up. This happens. Okay, I remade all the colors. I'm just gonna put them like this time. We're not listening to Paul. Okay, I put it in there. Look how pretty it is. Now we are going to add the other stuff. So I got some of this pink glitter that I think looks exactly like Barbie. And then I'm gonna put it on this little crystal heart that's made out of magical clay. That's so pretty. Okay, that looks so pretty. Okay, and this heart is supposed to be kind of like her glasses because, I don't know, her glasses kind of looked a little crystal-y to me. So we'll put a crystal heart there. And then also some flower sprinkles that I also thought kind of looked like her glasses. And I am done. Look how pretty. I love it. This is her slime. It is crystal rainbow heart. Okay, I'm gonna pour this out though, because I think it'll look really cool. Or you know what, actually, maybe not pouring it out. Maybe if I just take it out like this. Perfect. Look at how pretty. And I'll put some more flowers and the heart. And I'm done. Oh, look how pretty it looks over here. Okay, let's do some ASMR. Okay, well, her slime doesn't really look good at the end, so I think she wins for the slime competition. Okay, and last but not least, I need to go get a Barbie Frappuccino from Starbucks. And I'm back with the Barbie Frappuccino from Starbucks. They don't necessarily have a Barbie Frappuccino at Starbucks, but it is like a secret menu item. Basically, it's a vanilla bean Frappuccino with dragon fruit juice and vanilla syrup, and then dragon fruits on top. And it tastes delicious. But look how pretty it is. We gotta analyze it. So first we got the cup, which
I have.
And then we got like a purplish pinkish, it's like a magenta color. So I gotta make sure to like kind of color match that. And then it also like on the top, it has like a lighter lavender color. And then like the black parts, I think, of the dragon fruit. So we are gonna start with the base part first. I'm gonna do two different colors. I'm gonna do it with clouds, so it kind of makes this texture. It isn't gonna look the same always because the drink starts to melt after a while. So I just gotta work quick for it to kind of look good still. So first things first, I'm gonna start with the instant snow and making this into a cloud slime. I'm not gonna do the color yet because the snow is gonna kind of change the color, so we're gonna do that after. I'm done with my cloud fluff now, and it's time to get onto the colors. We have to color match this. So like I said, it's a magenta pinkish with like a light pinkish purple. So we're gonna start with this color first. We are gonna put pink. That's gonna be like the main color. And then we're gonna put just a dash of purple, which I'm gonna start little and then work my way up and see how that goes. Oh, and then a little bit of black glitter. I'm gonna add this passion fruit scent because, I mean, I don't think they're really any similar at all, but they both have the word fruit in it. So that's what I'm going with. Okay, yeah, so this definitely needs some more purple. We're gonna add some more in there. And I feel like it's gonna need some more pink too. It needs to be very vibrant pink. This already looks really cool though. I added some more pink and now it's a bit too pink. It needs like some purplish in there, but I feel like the purple's not doing it. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit of blue, which is gonna make it purple. Oh my God, that was way too much. It's looking really cool though. Okay, and I think that is good. I love it. No, I don't love it. See, now it needs a bit more pink or red. More pink. We're gonna add more pink. So now it's too dark.
And I hate it.
So I'm gonna take a piece of it and I'm gonna add this rest of this cloud cream I had before. So we're gonna have to make more cloud cream. And I'm gonna mix that together and hopefully it makes that color. And I made it. It is literally perfect now. Much better than this one. This one was way too dark. But now I have to make more cloud cream for the top part. And I am done. Now it's time to color match that top part that's like a light pinkish purple. So I'm gonna go with pink. And there's a little bit of blue in there from the food coloring. And then that one has a lot more of like the black seeds from the dragon fruit. So I'm gonna add the black glitter, but like a lot more. Okay, I have the color now. Now it's time to kind of try and make it look a bit like this. So first I'm gonna get this half and I'm gonna put it on the bottom. And then we're gonna make that part, so we need another half. Put a little bit of this and mix it a little bit. And then we have that top part, which is mostly just this, but I'm gonna mix this in there together. Ooh, I think that looks pretty good. Obviously it doesn't look exactly the same, but like it looks really similar. Okay, now we're gonna put the whipped cream. I'm gonna be making that out of butter slime. So for slimes that I'm trying to make look like whipped cream, I like to make like a butter slime, but with less clay. So you're gonna add just a little bit of clay to like some clear slime or some white slime. I think clear slime works better. And then you're just going to knead it like crazy until it starts to inflate a ton. And that is basically it. And then you get a really like fluffy whipped cream looking slime. Alrighty, and it's kind of inflated, but I'm gonna add a tiny bit of yellow because the one here has a tiny yellow tint to it. Okay, I think that looks perfect. The color, the texture, it's super fluffy now. And now I'm gonna try and make a little whipped cream swirl, and it's a little hard to get it like from my hand to the cup, but we're gonna try it. There we go. Look at how good. Okay, and then last thing is the dragon fruit pieces, which I actually have in these laboratory charms. These ones are like the fruit charm packs, and they come a bunch of different chunks of fruits. One of them is dragon fruit, so it's literally perfect for this. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. Look how cute. Okay, and then we have the top part. There is the straw. Oh my God, look at how cute. I love it. It looks so perfect. Honestly, I think mine looks better. I think mine should be the model for this one because this one is melting and doesn't look that great. I think this looks great. Okay, it is time to do ASMR. Let's mix. I don't want to mix it. It's so pretty. I worked so hard on it too, especially that color. Look at how pretty. Maybe we should make like an actual slime like this to sell in the store. It is so pretty. It smells so good too, even though it's not technically dragon fruit. And it turns out so pretty too. I think this was a success. I don't know which one I love better, the frappe or this girl's slime. I think I'm gonna have to go with the frappe. But that is it guys, Louise Storage. I really hope I see you next time. Bye.